I'm Mona.
Hey, I'm Max.
And this is our little doggo Sam.
We are located in Stuttgart. It's in the south of Germany, and from this point of Germany we start every adventure journey. Yeah, so let's have a look inside our self-converted van. Come in. Before we show you our van, I will tell you some facts about our Fiat Dicato. It got a 2.3 liter engine with 135 horsepower, so it's strong enough. And the length is about 6 meters, and the width is about I think 2 meters and 5 centimeters, like that. It's called in normal way L3H2. In the back of the van we got an air suspension, so we can level up or level down the van for sleep in a normal level. The front seats got 2 warmers, so it's a little bit more comfortable when we travel in the winter. So yeah, let's have a look in the back of the van.
So welcome to the inside of our self-converted van. Before we bought the Fiat Dicato, we had a Volkswagen multivan California, so it was a little bit smaller than now. And 2 years ago we spent our holiday in Albania and Montenegro, and it was raining like 4 or 5 days, so we have to spend all the day in the van with 2 people and a big dog and wet clothes everywhere. So this was the reason why we decided to go a little bit bigger. So in the front we have a big wardrobe where you can put all your jackets or dresses or everything you have to hang. And then we have a drawer where we put our beanies, sunglasses, hats and stuff, and our shoes. At the bottom there is all the electricity. We have a mirror and all the stuff you need for your morning routine. So we also have our storage for the toilet paper and little stuff, and also cleaning things. This is the big wardrobe. Behind the wardrobe is a big curtain you can close in the night, so you have privacy. And also there is our ladder to go up to the top. This is the place where we hide it. We decided to left the space open. It makes the room more open and you can look outside. We have the big space on top where we put our longboards or backpacks and stuff like this. So yeah, this is the front area. When we go back, for us it was important to have a lot of space in the front and in the kitchen area, so you can go around each other and the dog can lay down on the ground, so you don't have to go like this and just have space to move. So let's have a look at the kitchen. This is our kitchen. We have many space where we can put all the kitchen stuff in. We have a little fridge with 65 liters where we can put all the fresh things in. We have big drawers for the trash and the drinks. Then a big drawer for food and stuff like this, and we have to fix it with these things for the children, especially. So it don't come out in the when we drive because it's very heavy. A little corner for cleaning stuff, and the countertop. We have a big sink with a normal. So Google Translator told us it's a tap. So we have a big tap, which we use with a pressure pump, and yeah, it works like at home. Also, we have a hot water heater, so we have warm water in the van. Amazing! And at the side, you can turn on the lights so we can see everything which you are doing. Here we have our big gas stove with 2 plates, big plates, so you can use the normal plates and stuff, dishes to cook. And if you are finished, just close it. And as you can see, we have a special back wall in the kitchen. It's made of steel. It's just 2mm steel, and we worked on it with a little bit of vinegar, so it gets this roasted look. And yeah, it protects the wall from everything you cook here. So on the other side of the kitchen we have lots of storage where we can put our camera stuff or books, games, things like this. And here we have our wardrobe, left side left side Mona, and right side Max, so everyone has his own stuff. And our dining area. Yeah, as you can see, we don't have a bed at the moment, so we decided to switch the table every night and to have more space at the daytime. So it's pretty easy. You just have to clean the table, and then we have like a button underneath, so you just have to brush it down, and then the pillows from the side fits perfectly on the table, and you have your bed. So this is the sleeping area. We have underneath a big storage where we hide our stuff for the night. On the other side we have a little bit of decoration. All the handles are made of leather. Max grandpa had a factory, a leather factory, so the handles are all made by the grandpa. Also we have the shelf at the back. My father is a carpenter, and I was like in his factory since I could walk. So this is our reminders of our families and all the help we get and the support of our lovely family members.
So now we're on the outside in the back of the van, and I will show you some more storage. So we installed a heavy extraction drawer, so there's so much space for like trekking shoes, stuff for Sam, some gear for to do small work on the van. Yeah, so this is that one, and then there's another big drawer. We got our barbecue, we got our table, camping chairs, and for Mona the hammock. So yeah, and underneath that one we got a big special. So we are very happy about this one. This is our outside terrace, so it's extendable terrace, so you can sit on it and yeah, have a look at the sundowner or on the do some snuggling with Sam. yeah, that one is a really great feature. So put it back, close the doors. Yeah, that was the back. On the right side we got our gas tank for the warm water heater and gas plates, and on the left side we have a 100-liter water tank, yeah, to have water inside and in the outside. So here we installed 2 boxes and one for gas. I will show you. Yeah, this one is for the barbecue, to have some barbecue on the outside, so we can put in the barbecue here. The other box is the box for our outside shower, where we have also warm water, because this is awesome. When you were swimming in the ocean or when surfing, you come back to your van and having a shower with warm water. It's awesome. It's really awesome. So let's have a look on the other side of the van. There's the exhauster from the gas heater inside for the warm water, and there, when we are on a campsite, we can plug in 230 volt. So we have inside the van 230 volt, but when we are on the road, we just have a 12 volt system in the van. So that is totally enough for us, and yeah, that's it. What we want to add is that we got a big roof rack on the top of the van, so we can transport our canoe, surfboards and stuff like that. And also we installed a big solar panel. It has 180 watts, so we are complete self-supplied when we are on the road, so it fits so good for us. Yeah.
So as you can see, there are many things that have to fix together. So if you want to build your own camper van, we think it's just important that you think about what is really important for you, and don't be afraid. Maybe go on the internet and look for some inspiration or look for some help, but we think everyone can do it with with the help of different people. The van life community is such an open-minded community with and
that's right.
will help you with everything. So
and don't be afraid to ask
just
the
ask
people.
Everyone gives you an answer. So yeah, just take your time to think about how you want to do it. There are always things that go wrong or are at the end are not as you thought it would be.
Yeah.
And I think 1 year now after we did the camper van, we would do it in a different way.
Totally in a different way. Totally.
We love it like it is, but if we would do it now, we would do it different.
Yes.
So yeah, just try it out. And as you can see, if you sit on your own terrace in the back of your van, looking on the sea and just enjoy the moments,
enjoy life.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
So try it out.
Go for it.
Go for it. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed our little van tour. Please apologize the wrong pronunciation or the missing words. It's not as easy as we thought to do it all in English. So stay safe and lots of nice trips.
Bye bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed that content. If you hadn't noticed, we do have an ebook that we sell, and the link is just in the description. It contains 160 pages crammed full of practical advice, walkthrough information, electronic schematics and part lists, which will make your job a lot easier for doing a van conversion, and it will save you time and money. Also, we've created special videos for the ebook which enable you to see walkthroughs for how to do loads of things in a van conversion. So that's for water systems, for your electrics, for how to do simple woodwork joints that anyone can do. I really believe that anyone, regardless of their experience, can make a half decent van conversion. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate you watching our content, and we put a lot of effort to make it interesting, informative, and find those cool projects that feature on our channel. Consider subscribing, leave a comment, and we'll see you next week.